So today's mission, we're cleaning up the garage. Rob's just found all these plates.
Can you see it? Those are grapes.
Yeah, grapes.
Those grapes.
Yeah.
Those are grapes and strawberries and cherries and apples. What is this? Oh, this is pineapple.
Pineapples?
And strawberries.
Look, I reckon we keep some of these. They're quite cute.
What about this? It's Santa.
Oh my god, that is too.
It's Santa. But wait, there's more.
Oh, you've got another stack.
Yeah, there's a whole other pile of these things.
What's that?
It's
Can't see another.
Merry Christmas town.
A Christmas tree in the middle.
Christmas tree in the middle.
Oh my goodness.
I'll bring them out here because there's more. And look at that. Can you see that?
Maybe.
Look at this one.
Another centre at the top.
Santa.
Oh, they're keepers.
Oh, really?
They're keepers. Where's the house? Yep, no, keep them.
I just got them out of here.
Yeah.
Look, I don't know about some of this stuff. This is,
Ooh, I mean...
look, the amount of time it would have taken someone to make that shell. If you're interested in this stuff, just send us a message and we'll send it to you.
Yes. Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Anyway.
Is that the cupboard done? Or well done?
No, there's something up here. What is this? Oof. I don't know what this is.
Butter chicken, apparently. I just washed those gloves for you.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. No, it's good.
I just need some space.
What have you got?
Oh, it's like, glasses.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Look at these.
Oh well. New wine glasses.
That's crystal, isn't it? And they're all different.
I don't think.
All
Oh, yay.
different types
Oh, chuck them in the washing pile. I'll do some more dishes. Oh, wow.
Look, there's all sorts of different.
Now, this is what we need.
Different.
This is what we're here
but wait,
for.
there's more.
Oh, just more. Wow, I love that they're all different. Oh, one champagne glass. Man, the treasures that we are finding.
Treasures.
Oh well, good work. Good work. Keep on it.
Yeah,
You can earn your wine tonight.
such a random selection of randomness. It's interesting what you find here. So we're cleaning up that. Got all this rubbish out of here that we're going to tidy up a bit. And Tony's cleaning up the back here, and would you believe we found a California header on the back there. How cool is that? Hopefully it goes. And then we got all this to get rid of. Beautiful day here in Kawhia.
There we go, end of day 3 or 4. It's been another beautiful day in Kawhia. And we better take the salt sign down because that's it. We kind of...
We'll keep the for sale sign up, eh? Just
Yeah.
in case someone wants to buy it out.
Look, everything's for sale at the right price. You better just change that number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put my number up here instead, just in case someone
Yeah.
wants to buy it.
Everything's for sale at the right price. Do it. Sun's just in the background. And that's that. Pop it off. There you go.
Yeah.
Done.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. End of an era.
Yeah.
Let's just have a quick look up here.
What?
Oh, so this is looking so much better. Water blasted. But hopefully we'll extend this deck out this way. Just like really nice evening sunset views, rural hills. Right down there, right at the end of the street is our tiny little postcard view of the sea, and another tiny one over that way. In the house, Still a mess in here. Still got lots to do. Every time we come into the house, we just take like 1 or 2 things out just to start clearing out the house, so we've got a better picture of what we're going to do. This cabinet's kind of cute. I'd quite like to keep it. The problem is that it's locked with all those things inside, so either going to have to improve our skills on picking locks, or I don't know, hopefully not break any glass to get it out. I might be able to take the back off. Yeah, the rest, we've moved the fridge down into the garage. We'll bring that cupboard down in the garage at some stage, but I don't know, most of it's just kind of in the too hard box at the moment, so it's a work in progress. Gross. Floors are lovely still. I still like the floors. But yeah, that view, if we build out a deck out here, that view's just so nice. So that's that.
Hey team, welcome to What the Kawhia. It's Sunday afternoon, Waitangi weekend, and we're about to wrap up and head on home, so I thought we'd do one last walkthrough. So, we've removed the corrugated iron off that. Used to be a dog shelter. I've still got to pull that apart. I've sprayed all the fence line in there, and then I've put back this timber, bring it back nice again. There's the house from a different perspective, and I've met the neighbours, so it's kind of handy. I've sprayed around through there. Obviously that fence needs some more battens and stuff, and as you come down through here, this is the neighbour's driveway. You can see there's corrugated iron around the roof, and here's the old shed that looks like it needs a bit of work. It's got some corrugated on sheets here. I need to tidy this up properly and repair. Looks like it had a window there at one stage. It's got a couple of wasp nests up there, so I need to get rid of some wasps. And that's the other side of the shed, so that's that bit there. We've just done some measurements for some timber and stuff, because we're going to fix that shed up. We've got to fix the house up. We're going to leave the house for a little bit. We need to take some time with the house and figure out what we're going to do with it and how we're going to keep it, you know, in the true batch style of New Zealand. But going back down through here, we've done a few other jobs. So I've screwed that kitchen off. The steps were put through in here. We've water blasted all the decks, and we've got new locks on, even though you can break through there. New locks. We've put in this handrail and new stairs in, and we put that fence back in because that wasn't there. We water blasted the pots, get them nice and clean, and our plan is to tidy things up. Obviously, fence is in, it's nice and secure. Yesterday afternoon, Nicola got into that bamboo tree and ripped down those shrubs and stuff. So you can see there's a lot of crap we need to take away to the dump next trip, but it's opening it up. Around here, Tony found a colophant, so we've got a colophant that we can use for the hot water inside the garage, which I thought was kind of interesting. And this is like the gin garden area where we can sit outside and it's nice and cool. So, better up. Now our view around this is actually putting a deck on this place. So we're going to look to put a deck probably 3 meters by 7 meters at this point here, along through here, to open this up and have it decked, and then we can put a ranch slider in there to open that area up. We've done lots of spraying. There's the shed that's been tidied up. We've cleaned up a bit of the back here to make it a little bit tidier. Still got some more stuff to do and more stuff to take to the dump. Got a lawnmower person coming to do the lawns, and this is the garage and sleep out, which we're going to work on next time and rip up the carpet and stuff. Around the back of the garage, down the section, nice little spot, and inside we've tidied up a little bit, and we've managed to set it up in kind of a living area. The barbecue's there, we've got a kitchen in the back there, a couple of fridges, got a pantry now with food and stuff in it. We're going to line this all line it, put a ceiling in it and insulate it, and that'll be grand. The goal is, got a projector there for the screen, we're going to paint that wall white so we can actually put the projector up and kiddies can watch a movie. Throw it into the carport. We're going to rip this carpet up next over here and jib stop these walls, and there's a free pull that the neighbour gave us. Jib stop these walls and tidy it all up. So that's our plan. That's what we've been working on. It's been 4 days. A lot of the neighbours have come over and said hello. One of them made some plum jam and cushy chutney for us, and we brought a fresh loaf of bread on Saturday morning, which, yeah, it's bloody amazing. And Joy gave us some biscuits as well. She cooked us some nice shortbread biscuits. We've met Alan at the back there, so Alan lives out there, over there. Nat lives there, Joy lives next door. And we met the neighbours across the road, up the street, and everyone's really super friendly and quite welcoming. And it's really quite nice to be here and be accepted as a part of the community, so that's freaking grand. Anyway, we're going to hit the road in Rory, head home, and unwind and start ordering stuff for the next trip, which will be probably a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.